Managing payroll can be a headache for small business owners. From calculating hours to ensuring compliance with ever-changing regulations, it's time-consuming and stressful. But fear not. With SK Financial CPA, we make payroll simple, accurate, and stress-free. Here's the step-by-step process of payroll processing with SK Financial CPA. Step 1. Collect employee information. First, we collect all the necessary employee information. This includes names, addresses, social security numbers, and tax withholding forms. We ensure all information is accurate and up to date. Step 2. Track employee hours. Next, we track employee hours. This step is critical for accurate payroll calculations. Step 3. Calculate payroll. We then calculate payroll, including wages, overtime, bonuses, and any other compensation. Step 4. Process payroll deductions. Payroll deductions come next. This can include taxes, health insurance, 401k contributions, and other benefits. We ensure these deductions are accurate and compliant. Step 5. Disperse payroll. Once the calculations are complete, we disperse payroll. Whether it's direct deposit or paper checks, we ensure your employees get paid on time. Step 6. File payroll taxes. Finally, we file payroll taxes. This includes federal, state, and local taxes, as well as other mandatory filings. We make sure everything is done correctly and on time to avoid penalties. With SK Financial CPA, you can rest easy knowing your payroll is in expert hands. We take care of everything so you can focus on growing your business. Contact SK Financial CPA today for all your payroll processing needs. We'll take care of the details so you don't have to.